Okay, so we already have a cup of water. It's half water this time. Half water with like a starch we did, and we're gonna do it. Hold both of them and feel it, and then mix it together with half water, both of them. And so, spoonful of borax.
Put the same amount you put in last time. Okay. Is that about what you put in last time? Or did you put more?
No, I put like this much more.
Okay.
And then
stir that up.
let's just I have to stir it. I'm trying to move it. Oh, and stir it up. Yeah. Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, fill another small cup with about 1 inch of glue. So that means glue and this bridge. 1 inch should be right there. I'm still staring at it. Right there. Oh, oops, it's a little too much.
Oh, just don't pour it all in then.
It might be better if we added more glue.
Well, you got to keep the glue the same so that it's a constant.
Well, I
so
guess,
just pour in what you think.
How about we just pour a little bit of this, like
back in? Okay.
That wasn't very good. But, oh no.
Alright, that's good. Yeah.
Okay, I think that's almost it. I think I actually is the amount that we had last time.
Okay, good.
I think I put out the exact amount. 3 tablespoons of water. So.
But this time you're doing
half water.
No. Oh.
Yeah, half water.
For half
both.
water. Half water. Okay.
So that wouldn't that mean like right there?
1.5 tablespoons is half.
Is that half?
Wait, let me look at it.
2 line. 2 line?
What do we need?
We need
how much?
We do need
3, so we need one up to the half
so,
and 1 up to the 1. That's 1.5. So is that half? That looks like half.
So 1 up to the 2 and 1 up to
Go ahead. That's a half. Yep. Yeah. That's a half.
So I put
that pour that in there.
Oh yeah. Boom.
And then do another one that goes all the way up to the 1.
To the 1.
Mm-hmm. All the way up here.
Okay.
So you know what? I just was thinking.
What?
We use half the water, but we don't use half the borax mixture.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
we need to add a little more water to this then, to make it the same water as we had in the first one. Okay, there.
Why?
Okay, because we're not considering that water. We're considering that borax solution.
Okay, then add a few. So last time, where's
blue.
the blue?
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Okay. So we added 4 last time. I guess we'll add half of that just because it's a half water. Doesn't matter.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, 4 is really cool. I have 4. Look at that. It's just like pitch black.
Oh, that is, yeah. It's a lot. Your hands will really be blue.
Mm-hmm. Now, the fun part. Add 1 tablespoon, so that means I pour it into there.
See the 1?
The 1.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay.
Pour this in. Whoa.
All right.
And after the slime forms, let it After the slime forms, wait, and stir well. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Oh, the water. Look at the water. Like it's like that. This time it's like the food coloring got too much water.
Yeah.
Well,
it's
even
like
though it's half the
It's
water.
almost like it's separating, huh?
Yeah. But it's soaking in.
Oh, it is? Okay.
It looks like. Oh my! Look at that.
Seems like it's not soaking in as much as it did before, but because it doesn't have as much water in the glue.
Oh,
it didn't-
look, I think it's good there.
Oh, yeah?
I think it already soaked. Wait. I think that's good. Now it
Okay.
says let it sit for 30 seconds.
Okay.
And then pull it off the spoon and play with it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Alright, now let's see. Just take a spoonful of it, or just this much.
All right. Do you want to?
It's not even like.
Can you pull it out in here? So put it in here.
On the other side?
Yeah. Put it in here.
Well, we're going to pour that out.
You can just take it out with your hands, maybe, or
just
just
leave that in and
Okay.
then just pour it in.
Mm-hmm.
It's like they switched, kind of.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Oh, wait.
So what's it like? Tell me. Explain it.
Hold on.
Mm-hmm. Maybe once you mix it a little bit better, it'll be better. I don't know. Get both your hands in there.
Well, that green, right?
It's okay. Okay, so if you pick it up, what does it do? And how is it different from the first time?
Oh my gosh.
What?
Look at this. This is like, it's almost like water.
Is it?
I know. It's like I added too much water, but it's not what I actually added half. It's like for both of them. It's like it feels like I added too much water.
Wow.
But really, so it's basically the opposite of what we thought it was gonna be.
Huh. Is it stretch long? Like, can you
No,
stretch
not
it
even
or no?
close. Watch this.
Mm-hmm.